We are now looking at the transfers tab. Go ahead and drop down the sidebar here. And the first thing we're going to be shown, I do have some data in here I need to delete out because I was doing some testing beforehand. So we'll treat this now as a new instructory. So first thing you need to do is click your settings tab. You'll see that there's a default where you're able to select a default department. So if you are front of house, you have a restaurant that you're honing onto, whatever primary is going to be your default. You get out in your department, so I'll just do a simple front of house and back of house. For the default, I'll set it to the front of house, and we'll go ahead and close this out. Anytime you're moving around the tabs itself, you go back to the transfers, it'll only show in the front of house here as your department. You can select between both of them if you need to change it up, but for the most part, since the default is your front of house, it'll remain a front of house. Let's say the kitchen is cooking something, they need wine from you. Just select the category, select back of house. You're then able to select what wine is going to be needed to transfer over. So let's say if you hit E on the keyboard, it'll have example test wine, and they're going to get an entire bottle. If they only need half a bottle, zero point 0.5, and it'll do half of the cost of your full item. Go ahead and type in some notes used for stock. When you place transfer, it'll give you just a general snapshot again of your table, but just a yes, more or less, I'm ready to process this. Whenever you do process any items into it, how the recent transfer is located here, as well as your breakdown for totals in each category. If you need to edit the item, go ahead and click edit. It'll formulate it here again. Update your metrics. Let's say you use 2 bottles. Hit update transfer, and it'll update everything for you. If we want to go ahead and make another submission, let's say another wine bottle from front of house to back of house, we're going to use this, and they use 1.5 again. We're going to do test and yes, yes. The quantities continue to add as the submissions are being entered. We can go ahead and create a PDF download out of this. So if you need to do this for your accounting on checkbook reasons or just keep things in line, um, they're able to see the date of transfer, or at least whenever you enter it in, the category, the item names, where it's going to, for where it's coming from, the quantities, the total cost, well, item cost, total cost, and then the notes that's used for the transfer. Same thing would happen with the CSV. This is Excel format, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like right now. So same concepts. And whenever you need to delete an item out, you go ahead and hit delete. Hit delete, it goes away. If you have multiple transfers going out throughout the month and you're ready to clear it out, just go ahead and clear all, hit yes, and it clears everything out of your data. Right, so that is going to be your transfers tab. We'll be moving over to your F&B and waste. This is going to be like your breakage, spills, spoilages, those kind of things. So allow me one moment. Let me stop this video and create another one.